Sup, it's Rika, so welcome back to another video. For this video, you've seen the title and thumbnail, so without further ado, let's get started. First thing is to wear a headband so that my hair won't get in the way as I do my skincare. And by the way, my skin type is combination, which means oily on the T-zone and dry on the other areas. To wash my face, I use the Celeteque Hydration Facial Wash, and this makes my face feel so fresh and clean. I only do one pump of it, and please stand by as I wash my face in the bathroom because I'm not allowed to do that in the bedroom. And then I'm just gonna pat dry my face using a clean towel. Next, I either use the Dove Beauty Cream or Pond's Day Cream. I use Pond's only when I go outside because it has SPF 15, which can protect my face from the harmful UV rays of the sun. But when I'm only indoors, I use the Dove Beauty Cream. I'm just getting a tiny amount and spread it all over my face. Just let's not forget to moisturize our arms and legs. So for that, I use the Victoria's Secret lotion in the scent Love Spell. I squeeze out generous amount that could cover my arms and legs and distribute it between my hands. What I like to do is to pat it first on my arms and then spread the remaining lotion on my legs and then spread it on my arms. For my lips, I use the Vaseline Lip Therapy. It does not only prevent my lips from chapping, but also makes me look less pale. I get a tiny amount of it and spread it all over my lips. Whenever my hand feels dry, I use the Etude House Missing You Hand Cream, and this is their Harp Seal Story. Again, I get a small amount of it and spread it all over my hands. And that is it for my skincare. My skin is not as clear as it usually does because I have been sleeping very late this past couple of weeks. For my eyebrows, I use the Careline Best Brow Liner Better Than Basic. First, I brush my eyebrows so I could see its shape. Next, I extend the tail of my brow and shape the arc of my eyebrow. I realized I should do this in a closer view for you guys to see it clearly. After shaping my eyebrow, I fill in the gaps or sparse areas and do the same thing on the other side. To blend the product, I use the Vice Condol Micro Brow Spoolie because I feel like I have more control on blending when I use this instead of the Careline Spoolie brush. To clean the edges, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and I'm in the shade Natural Beige or 220. I pump out a really tiny amount of it and use an angled brush to apply it. I start off by applying it on the middle part of my brow and then down to the tail and slowly to the inner part of my eyebrows. And I just do the same thing on the top of my eyebrow and then blend. Of course, I do the same onto the other side. Whenever I feel like I applied too much foundation, I wipe it up with a wet wipe because I don't want that heavy feeling on my face and so that it won't crease. Lastly, I apply Vice Cosmetics Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Natural Brown. This is to make sure my brows will stay in place and it won't misbehave. For my cheeks, I use the Vice Cosmetics Blush in the shade Shalah. I apply it in a circular motion on my cheeks, nose, and chin. For the highlights, I use the Vice Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Splendid. I apply it on my cheekbones and brow bones. And girl, look at that glow! She glowing! Then on my nose, nose bridge, chin, and cupid's bow. For my lips, it really depends on my mood, but here are my 3 most used lippies. First is the Vice Cosmetics Matte Lipstick in the shade Hayabayabayu. Next is the Blythe Majestic Matte Lipstick in the shade 114 or Kelvin. Last but not the least, my favorite Maybelline Liquid Matte Lippy in the shade Made Easy. And that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the bell button if you want to see more of me. Okay, bye!